Hello, my name is Jainil Shah, and this is our presentation for CSE 564 visualization. Myself, and Akshay did this project. For this project, took a dataset from Kaggle, which is hotel reservations data for a particular hotel in Portugal. It has basically two types of hotel. One is city hotel, and another is resort hotel. So first thing which we did was we cleaned the data a little bit, and then we sampled the data. As this data contains 120k records, there is no way we could have plotted all these records. Next thing is we plotted individual graphs, geomap, stack bar, heat map, PCP with edge bundling, and time graph. From this, we derived some interesting results. First thing which you can see is the sales of the month of August is the highest. This shows that the end of summer is the best time to visit the hotel. Hotel staff needs to be prepared for incoming crowd. Most number of cancellations are in July and August as well. The most common room type is of type A. Tourists are mostly from the countries around Portugal or from the native country Portugal itself. Even though city hotel has more customer or bookings, resort hotels have more profit. Both the city and resort hotels should be fully staffed, and from the above results we can conclude that both the city and resort hotels should be fully staffed and ready in the month of July and August. Employees can be given holidays in winter, that is around December and January, as these 2 months are the one with the least amount of customers. Booking via a travel agent covers little less than 50% of the total bookings. This means that a hotel can form a tie-up with a certain agents and give them special discounts. Now moving on to the demo part. Here we can see that the data is the original data set, and then all the graphs are basically for the sample data. This is the cancellation. The same is for the edge, number of adults, number of children, and the same is for the travel. Next we can see, this is the geomap, where we can see how many customers from each and every country are coming in. The next is the monthly average revenue data. This is the PCP, which is basically used for filtering. This is the heat map for the total number of bookings. This is stacked bar graph, which will show the amount of customers from each and every country. So here we can see the most are from Portugal, which is local obviously. The next is United Kingdom, then it's Spain, France, Germany, Ireland, etc. And we have also divided this into two parts. One is the city hotel and another is a resort hotel. And this bottom below is the time. Here we can select a particular time period. So let's say we want to see for the Brazil. So when we click on Brazil, all the data along with this will be changed. We can also change along with this the cancellation distributions, and we can also select the reserved room distributions as well. Here we can see the type A is the most common room, and also we can see that the month of July and August are the most common or the most popular. Again, we can basically filter data for city hotel, and then we can basically see the same data for resort hotel as well. Now let's say if we want to see the data for 2016 to just the year of 2016, so we can basically select the time period here, and the data will be updated accordingly. We can basically select the whole data here, and we can see that this is what the data looks like for the year of 2016. The next is we can even shift these columns to see the relations between each and every PCB, each and every feature, and we can get the final answers, or we can derive the relations between each and everything. You can even move the time period bar here, and we can see that there are different updates here accordingly. So from this, which we can see that this is one of the most interesting findings, is that we can do some targeting ads with this data. So first thing which I would like to point out is this basically dashboard can be beneficial to both the customers as well as the hotel staff. For the customers, it will be you can see that there are most number of people who are going inside, booking the hotels, or very popular during summer. So basically there must be some kind of event which is happening in and around the hotel. If someone wants to enjoy that hotel, we can see one can go in summer obviously. But let's say that you just want to don't want to overspend, and you want to be conservative a little and just want to enjoy the vacation. So you can go in winter where the prices will be cheap because there is no rush, there is no competition. From the hotel perspective, one can see that these are the countries where most of the income, like most of the customers are from. So one can say that so basically hotels can do targeted advertisements, as they are very big thing these days. So basically hotels can see that, okay, these are the countries which we are getting more crowds, or these are the countries which we are getting less crowds from, so we can do some targeting advertisements accordingly. So basically, yeah, this is our presentation, and this is the uh, dashboard which we made. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.